Hello, welcome to our channel, Design Enthusiasts. Today, we are immersing ourselves in the captivating world of living room decoration. Get ready to discover a myriad of living room decoration ideas that will redefine and elevate your space. Yes, we are talking about your one and only, the living room. Let's kick off this living room decoration journey with a splash of color. Inject vibrant hues into your living room walls, furniture, and accessories for a living room that truly reflects your personality. Cozy vibes incoming. Imagine soft, inviting textures and layers of throws and pillows, creating an ambience of warmth and comfort in your living room. Versatility is the name of the game in living room decoration. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content.